Our journey begins in the heart of Gold, which is a known city for its colonial charm. But our destination lies beyond the city limits, in the greenery of Deniyaya. As I said, we started our journey from Gold, and as we go past the Pilana area, we suddenly started feeling the difference of that environment, from escaping the city to the lush greenery of this area. And our adventure is just started. We started our journey at about 8 a.m. in the morning, and come about an hour, we have decided to stop by the road in a beautiful place for our breakfast. After having breakfast, we continued on our journey to Deniyaya. As we leave the hustle of Gold behind, the landscape transforms into lush greenery, and it is very visible and noticeable if you are coming from a city area or coming from urban life. And this is very noticeable. You can literally feel it as the temperature drops down, and it is nice. It is definitely a nice escape to get to this area and escape the city. Located in the Mathura district, Deniyaya is renowned for its biodiversity and rich cultural heritage. Come the iconic Singaraja Forest Reserve, a UNESCO World Heritage Site, the region is a haven for nature lovers and outdoor enthusiasts. As you can see, the area is surrounded with lush greenery and also tea plantations. And what you see beside the road on both sides is a lot of tea plantations are there. This is basically a hidden paradise in the heart of Sri Lanka. As you embark on this virtual journey with us, prepare to be mesmerized by the captivating beauty and enchanting landscapes that define this remarkable town. Our first destination of this journey will be the Gataburu temple. To go there, now we are climbing a mountain to get to this place. And this is my first time here, and I never expected this kind of a view or this mountain to be so tough to climb even in our tuk-tuks. If you can hear, the tuk-tuk was really struggling to pull us up, but we have successfully made it at the end. As you can see, we are going way up and the view is so mesmerizing. Here you can see how difficult the road is. Even though the road quality is good, the mountain and the turns make it a tough one to climb. After a bit of a struggle to get up there, we have successfully made it to the Gataburu temple, and that will be shared in the new video.